Welcome back to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. If you've got a shipping service and you're looking for an affordable professional website for your business, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty Sites platform to build a simple website on our platform for your shipping service. If you haven't heard of Marty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed, so make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. Now we have hundreds of different markets to choose from, over 900 currently. We are adding more markets every single week for various small businesses. If you don't see yours down below, make sure you leave us a comment and let us know. We'll make sure that we add it. I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, shipping service. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Excellent. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and change this to service. I've put in my city and my state or region, and it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located. You can enjoy the Marty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, Marty Sites will work its magic and automatically generates a website for me with the information I've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally done it in a couple seconds. Let's take a close look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you to make your life as easy as possible when it comes to launching a website. It's just a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. As you can see, they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images. You'd like to make your website a little bit more personalized, change the content to suit your business. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. You don't need to know any coding or be a web professional in any kind of way. You certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, click on update section, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible on my website for my customers to see. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Awesome. Your phone number, it is click to call, and physical location address, pop it in over here. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address, be taken directly to Google Maps. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms, the links where your business is active on. Once you've done that, there will be icons displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website so customers can easily find you on social media. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section. Let's go ahead and upload it. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can click on that pencil to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Click on save. Here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller as well to suit your needs. Now with Marty Sites as well, we've pre-selected the colors for you. If you'd like to change them, click on that paint bucket bottom right hand corner. Go through the various color palettes available for you to use. For each section you want to make amendments to, click on that button directly underneath it that says update section. Under update images, where you can browse your device and upload your own images or search through that photo library, hundreds of images to choose from. Otherwise, you can connect your Instagram accounts if you have a profile. With a click of a button, automatically pull in all those images from your Instagram profile. Under update action, we can change the call to action buttons, the text on those buttons, as well as where they link to. You can even link to another website or upload a PDF file, which is a great option to provide more details to your customers, your services, and your rates in PDF formats. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where your customers can reach out to you, keep track of all your leads in your Marty dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on that yellow connect your domain button at the bottom. Click it to connect it. If you don't have a custom domain yet, you really want one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors in the industry, click on that button as well. You actually have the option to purchase a custom domain via our platform as well. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a simple website on our platform for your shipping service. Really wishing you and your business Marty success.